This is not a good product, and because I don't appreciate companies telling half-truths, I'm going to be returning it. A couple of days ago, I got this Proxima 6.0 4K printer made by Voxelab for around $130 on sale. I was looking for something to replace my FDM printer in the small detailed space, and I mean it's 4K, right? Right? But I never even made it to the first print. Now, I'm someone who does a decent amount of research before I purchase products, so I can get a realistic view of what I'm getting myself into, and the Proxima seemed favorable enough. From a quality standpoint, it was nice of them to pre-tarnish all the screws so I don't have to neglect them myself. And the touchscreen has a sort of flex on the bottom that really gives it a resilient, bounce-back, unattached kind of attitude that helps it seem brighter than it really is. But build quality gripes aside, the main reason for this video, and why I'm sending it back, is the swapping of the control board from one made by Chitu Systems, a reputable and well-known manufacturer, to some kind of generic clone board. Now, this information was not easy to find, and my thought process for it went something like this. The menu for this touchscreen is missing some of the features. Probably just needs a firmware update to get everything showing up. I'll be able to find that online pretty easy. And what followed was a long process of searching forums for a way to get updated firmware, only to finally come across this Reddit post. I've linked the thread down below if you're interested in reading that. The only thing I could find on the Voxelab product page that even hints at this change is the removal of the product info that tells you what slicers it's compatible with. Well, because it isn't anymore. More specifically, from what I can tell, this new board lacks several of the features a genuine board would have, including Z offset and exposure. It has no firmware support, and my email to Voxelab has gone unanswered so far, leading me to believe that no plans for that really exist. Although an omission of truth is not really the same as lying, it sure feels like it from a consumer standpoint, and it makes this company come across as disingenuous. To recap, on the surface, the Voxelab Proxima 6 4K seems like a good deal. But they've tried to cut corners too far, and both the build quality and user experience have suffered greatly because of it. I would not recommend you get one of these, and I only kept this one long enough to make this video to warn you about it. My name's Owen. Thank you for watching. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have down below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and get subscribed if you want to see more content in the future. Bye bye.